And then I think there was a title, but let's check real quick in the header. Yeah, title, and then the price. Let's just grab those to quickly list them. Oops. Go back to the index page here. Title, and then price. Then I'm going to add a break, an HTML break in here as well. So I save that. So now we can check this real quick to make sure it's working. So we're going to go back to the default page. Welcome to Christoph's Tea Room. Let's click on Tea Sets. So yes, it does bring up the SKU, title, and an unformatted cost. We'll show you how to format all this stuff as well. So let's go back to, alright, so let's go back here. Above here, well, we can do that later. I was going to separate out the different kind of searches, but we'll wait until we add the keyword search before we get into that. So let's format a little bit. So inside the search context, let's do a little formatting. So we're going to start a show if num found is greater than 0. We're not going to show this found items loop if there is nothing found. As well, we're not going to show the formatting that we're making if there's nothing found. So So we're going to create a table here. And inside this table we're going to first put the table headers. So we'll do th, and we're going to say we want to list the SKU, we want to list the title, and on the results we don't have to get too detailed because remember we're going to create a product detail page as well. However, I'm going to list the initial description. And people like to look at the price right away, so we'll list the price as well. Here I'm also going to add a cell for the ability to add to cart. So here's our first headers that we want to look at. So I'm going to actually copy this and paste this right there. Now on the actual displaying, I like to do a little formatting. Again, we'll want to double check that we're actually using the proper variable names here. Sometimes when you copy and paste the things that you're typing, you're actually not matching the product field names, but we'll double check that. And right here we're going to put a link called add to cart. But it's not supposed to be written like that. Add to cart. A little link. So, and then for the detail page, I'm going to make this so when you click on the description, it'll take you to the detail page. And this will be CTR underscore page equals detail and product CTR underscore PID equals, say, PSKU. So what I'm doing here is creating the links in the found items to do a couple of things. The first one is to take us to the detail of this product. Right now we're inside the results page, but if we want to go to see more about this product, we go to a detail, and so this is the link for that. And we have to identify which product that we want to look at in detail. The second link is if we want to add this item to our cart. So I just put a placeholder in here. We'll talk about all the shopping cart features later, but just for now I'm adding that link so that it's there. I guess since I'm here, let's just quickly create the case for the page, for the detail page. I'll put a placeholder text here just so we know that that is indeed the detail page and that we are reaching it. Product detail. Alright, I'm going to save that, and well, let's see what we got so far. We'll be able to quickly tell if we did something wrong here. So I go back to the browser. I'm going to link again to the default page. Click on T-sets. Oh, one thing is we don't want all our text to be headers, so we'll go back and change those to table cells so that we don't, or table data cells so that we don't have the bold automatically displayed there. We'll also do some CSS to format this all nicely. We notice here the description is being repeated. That's just telling us that we spelled that product header name incorrectly. So we'll look at that too. So we go back to the product header page, and we notice that yes, indeed, we did spell that wrong. It's description 1. So I'm just going to copy that and take us back to the index page and change that right there. So, and then I'm going to select these, and I'm going to find all THs in this selection and change them to TDs. Selected text only. Place all. Alright, so when you save that and go back to SeaMonkey and refresh, okay, that's getting better. Text is large, so we'll want to fix that with CSS, and also the description's pretty long. We can fix this right now.